Good morning, good morning, good morning, guys. I hope you guys have been having a blessed week, a fabulous week, a beautiful week, guys. I just wanted to say to you guys, good morning, and yeah, let's get it. I wanted to show you guys about the point of control stuff. I did a video, but I couldn't post it because I missed out key factors, which is just wrong. So let's get it. Let's start again. Let's go. So, guys, as we were looking at the charts on Friday, I was showing you guys the point of control. So let me yeah. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to clear my charts for you guys. So you can see exactly how I find my point of control. Okay, so we are going to go to the 4 hours. You can do it from the day, you can do it from the day, you can do it from any higher time frame, the week time frame, the monthly time frame, you can do it from any time frame realistically. But I like to use the 4 hours, so that's what we're going to use right now. And as we can see, guys, how the market's pulled up, pull back down, pulled up, pull back down, pulled up, pull back down. Get rid of all of these. Okay, let me get rid of this as well. So, guys, if we're going to find the point of control means where the big money people are sitting, where they're sitting, where the banks, the billionaires, trillionaires, this is where they are all sitting. So this point of control is where the market is going to basically rebound to and push off of. And I'm going to show you guys exactly how to find them. So on TradingView, it's quite simple. It's free to use. TradingView has a free option. You can upgrade if you want to. You don't have to if you don't want to, but you can still use this as and when you please. Okay, so over on the left here, if you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The seventh one down, you'll probably see it with this icon. You click on the arrow that's next to it, and at the bottom you'll see fixed range volume profile. If you click on that, then you'll be able to find, this is where we find our point of control. So I'm going to show you guys the point of control for the month, just to show you guys where the market has been resetting itself basically to take its buyers and where it's going to offload and take its sells. So guys, for the month period, if we go back to the 1st of March, which was here, and we take it to today, we will see that our point of control is still the same, guys. It's still the same. So this indicates to me that this is a very strong point of control. If the market comes back to these points and crosses it, you can use this as your break and close method for buyers and sellers, and literally just ride it all the way up. So if I show you guys, if you want to pause the video, I'll give you a second to pause the video and screenshot how I've got mine set up. So that is the style. The inputs, this is what you would like to input. And your coordinates will basically stay the same. Okay, visibility, you don't need to change anything on the visibility unless you want to. You can turn these all off if you really want to. But to me, it doesn't really matter. So once you've paused the video, taken those, Okay, cool. So as you can see, guys, on this point of control, it's given us a red line. So this red line is showing us where the point of control is for the buyers and the sellers. So once we see this red line, all we're going to do is literally just mark that point up, change the color for you. Going to mark that up, and as you can see, guys, this point is like a magnet. When the market comes too far away from this point, it always comes, it's been coming back to this point to play off of. And this is literally for the month of March. So guys, to find, for instance, the week, if you wanted to do it on a smaller time frame, so let's do last week. Last week, so we go back to our point, our fixed price range, volume. We go to the 21st of March, which was here, and the end of the week was the 25th. So go to here, and as you can see, we have a slightly different point of control for the week, for last week. So as you can see, guys, me personally, I would use this area here. And once you've marked it up, you can delete them. We'll get rid of this box. So as you can see, guys, this range here, for me, would be my no trade zone. I would wait to see if market broken close above on my higher time frames to see which direction the market is planning to go. So as we can see here, for instance, today on the 4 hours, the market's come back to its weekly range and rejected off. So from we saw that it rejected off in the last 4 hours, we would wait for the wick and get in on the wick. That's what we're aiming for. We're aiming to get in on the wick. So the market came up to 1928 and is dropping. So if we drop down to our smaller time frames, you'll be able to see how the market's been moving. How the market's been moving on the smaller time frames. And when we look at the smaller time frames is basically showing us points of redistribution. So if we see on the higher time frames, let's look at the floor again, if we have any large imbalances, so from here to here would have been an imbalance, as you see this large wick, and this would have shown me the point of reversal as we have the wick and the engulfing candle. When we have the large wick and then the engulfing candle, this shows me that the market's going to pull back up. Now that the market's reached back to this point, it didn't cross back into this zone. So we are looking to take this market back down to a level of support, which could possibly be down here between this point and this point here, as we have these large wicks, which this imbalance needs to be fulfilled. This balance needs to be filled. Imbalance needs to be filled. So if the market crosses into this zone here, I know that it's making a new, it's going to make a new zone. And if it makes a new zone, then we will be able to see this market coming back down. That is just on my analysis of how the market's been moving, because as you can see, even here, guys, the market crossed up through this point here and just kept going. So this is how I analyze the charts. This is how I'm learning to analyze the charts at the moment. So if you got in on that wick, you would have been in some deep profits right now. You'd be in some profits right now. But yeah, guys, I just wanted to show you the point of control. If this video helped you be able to learn how to analyze the markets, put a thumbs up. If you've got any question, guys, put it in the comments, and I'll be more than happy to answer your questions. If you have any more questions, if you would like me to show you anything deeper to do with the point of control. But it's literally, guys, from you have the point of control, you can mark up your charts and see where you feel like the market is going to go. So you know that 1925 is a big threshold right now. 1934 is a big threshold right now. So we are looking to take this market down to 1889, possibly 1877. If it crosses this point, then we may be able to take this all the way down, back down to the 1780s. But we shall see, guys. We shall see. Anywho, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you would like to learn this knowledge for yourself and jump on with educated millionaires, all sorts, like different types of people in this zone that taught me, click the link in my description box below. Get Elite and colors and send me a DM. My Instagram is there too. If you have any more questions and you would like to just hit me up, direct, DM me. I have no problems with showing you guys how it works and all of this stuff. Just let me know, guys, that I'm open to helping everyone. So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed. Hit like, subscribe, click that notification bell so you know when I update you guys on something new. I'm always dropping gems, and I've got some NFT and crypto gems to drop for you guys, so make sure you stay updated. Thank you for watching, guys, and I hope to see you soon. Bye.